Smoking fish or meat in a portable smoker is a simple and healthy way to add a little flavour to your meals, whether you're at home or out and about on fishing and camping adventures. We all know how great smoked salmon and trout taste, but smoking is also a great way to prepare a range of Australian fish species. You can even smoke sausages and meats. To get started, all you need is a basic smoker, some methylated spirits for fuel, some matches, and some smoking sawdust. Always ensure that you use approved smoking sawdust because many Australian native timbers have resins that can make fish inedible. Prepare your fish by cleaning and gutting it well. Keep the skin and scales on and then add plenty of salt and allow to stand for about 20 to 30 minutes. Always choose a safe area to operate your smoker, ideally over a non-flammable surface like concrete, sand or rocks. Spread a thin layer of sawdust over the bottom of the smoker. Gently tap the smoker to achieve an even spread. Insert the metal grill and place the fish skin down onto the rack. Then close the lid. Half fill the burner with methylated spirits. Light the burner with an extra long match for safety. Then place the smoker over the burner, keeping the burner as central as possible. For most small fish, cooking times will be roughly 10 to 15 minutes, but times will vary depending on the size of your fish and your particular smoke oven. You'll notice that most smokers have holes at the base to allow air to enter, and you can also keep an eye on the burner. So try to smoke in an area with minimal wind. Once complete, let the fish stand for 5 minutes and serve hot with rice and vegetables or cold with a garnish of salad. Well, there you have it. Delicious smoked fish.